everybody? This is T, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, my husband's, we're out, well, we're out today. We're both out today getting our shot, our vaccine, and praying all is well. It's a rainy day today. It's raining cats and dogs, and as my friend said, don't step in a poodle. I thought that was so funny when she replied with that comment. But yeah, we're out getting our vaccine. And he came back and told me that this was Johnson & Johnson. I don't want Johnson & Johnson. I'd rather have the Moderna. I don't know if I'm saying the name right, but I'd rather have that one. So I'm going to schedule me an appointment for wherever they're having that one. But he's definitely in there getting his. And I pray you guys are having a blessed weekend. I pray you guys have a great Memorial Day. Here's Butter. He hates staying home by himself. So, see, it's raining out. That's the tent over there. Where they You hit my door?
Huh?
You hit the door.
Where?
Oh no, you heard it hit it when you got out because you looked at it. Ain't nothing on my door, is it? It's no paint on my door? Sorry guys, they hit my door and they...
A few moments later.
Thank you.
Absolutely, thank you.
Have a good one.
Absolutely. Anything else for you today, boss?
That's it.
That's it?
Appreciate it.
Absolutely.